I'm asked I'm asked a lot by people, what is your favorite childhood thoughts episode? And within every episode, I think this has to be at least up there. This one I'm doing right now. Big Bird singing It's Not Easy Being Green at Jim Henson's memorial. Now, of course, this is the first out of the two memorials, I believe, because the other was in London. And especially, oh man, doing both, having Carol coming out there, uh, trying to fight the tears, singing this, and I believe also doing it at the London location. It, I think that it is one of the most saddest, next to Frank Oz. Frank Oz, of course, I have talked about that on an episode, but having Big Bird, one of the most legend, like one of the biggest characters of Jim Henson, Jim Henson's, singing and looking up, saying, "Thank you, Kermit," and walking away. It, especially for a children's show icon to do it to his creator, it is just, and especially his coworker being in that suit. It, and to think it is not easy being green. I think it's just one of those moments that, everybody is just there. No words, no sounds, nothing, just in the dark and just there.